This video is sponsored by AppSumo. More about that later in the video. Are you self-publishing a book on Amazon or other online retailers? Would you like to reach more readers, get more book reviews, sell more books, track all your book expenses and earnings while building a massive author brand? Then it's not out of the realm of possibilities with the help of an author marketing tool called StoryAd. Now, StoryAd is a platform that helps writers with various aspects of the book marketing and publishing process. It offers features such as book project management, author branding, and book marketing tools. According to an interview with Publishers Weekly, the CEO and founder of StoryAd, Ramsey Haj, said this: "The challenge for marketers is to find and communicate with those people most likely to want to read, review, recommend, and buy each book. We offer the opportunity to build and manage comprehensive, tailor-made book marketing campaigns conveniently, affordably, and for a sustained period of time." While I'm going to show all the relevant features of StoryAd, I'm also going to share how to increase book sales even more with one simple tip. It's a game changer, and I don't even think StoryAd knows about this sweet little option. Let's put a pin in it for right now. StoryAd has 5 relevant features that include the author profile, customizable website, marketing wizard, outreach tools, and profit and loss calculator. Let's take these elements one at a time, then I'll break down how much StoryAd costs and why you should get it right away. As soon as you log into StoryAd for the first time, you'll see a clean user interface that is super intuitive. Not tech savvy? That's totally okay, because they've made everything dead simple to find and understand. Should you ever get lost or need help, simply click on their support bubble in the bottom right of the dashboard. In a lot of instances, they have video tutorial links to help navigate the dashboard as well. Setting up the author profile takes a little time, but the final result is worth it. You upload an author picture, enter your first and last name, include a fun quote about yourself as a tagline, and enter all relevant social media links. Next, StoryAd offers an author interview comprised of 3 sections: the person behind the words, the philosophy behind the words, and get the words to readers. Each subsection holds up to 255 characters, so it shouldn't take too long to fill out the questionnaire. Once you're set with each of the 3 sections, hit save and you're good to go. But you're not quite done yet, because what's an author profile without, books? On the left side panel, access the books section, then select add book. You'll need to upload the cover, book title, and short description. Each book has 4 unique sections. The book information section is where your title and book description populate. You can also upload an audio sample of up to 5 megabytes and a PDF sample of up to 10 megabytes. It's not mandatory for you to use this section, but it certainly goes a long way in providing value to potential readers. I recommend no more than a few minutes of your audiobook and about 10% of your book. Once you're set, hit save. Now, in the next section for author information, you'll enter your author name and short bio. Hit save again. In the book links section, you'll enter a link to YouTube if you have a book trailer or a sample chapter. The most important link is your buy now link. Enter a universal book link here so readers can access your book regardless of where they are in the world. Side note, if you want to get more book sales beyond your native marketplace, I highly recommend using a universal book link. Go to books2read.com to get a free universal book link. Simply enter in the link to your book on Amazon, and then Books2Read will generate a link that allows visitors to choose their preferred online retailer, and that will send them to the region-appropriate website. For authors submitting press releases, insert the link here. Now, the next line will be great if you're looking for more readers to review your book. For instance, I can set up access to a review copy through StoryOrigin or BookFunnel and then place the link inside this box. Anytime a reader visits my author profile, they have the opportunity to apply for a review copy. This makes building an advanced reader copy team so much easier if you're already sending traffic to your author profile. Lastly, put a link to your book on Goodreads, the social media platform for hardcore book readers and reviewers. Now hit save when you're done. In the event you don't have a link for a spot, just leave it blank. In the last section, fill out the publishing details, including the publisher or the imprint name, publish date, book type, dimensions, number of pages, the price, the ebook price, the 2 ISBN types, language, available rights, and selling territory. Again, if you don't have any information, leave the spot blank. Should you get stuck and you don't know what to fill in, hit the support bubble in the bottom right. If I haven't said it already, StoryAd support is incredible. They're fast, patient, and super helpful. You can access your author profile from within your dashboard and feel free to share it with some people. Setting up an author website has never been easier with StoryAd. They use 3 unique templates that are fully customizable after you select them. The best part is your site is hosted by WordPress. Now, to make matters even better, StoryAd equips you with Elementor, a user-friendly WordPress page builder that designs and customizes websites using like a drag-and-drop interface. It's super intuitive. Now, StoryAd sets up a majority of the website for you based on the details filled out in the author profile. That's why you want to hit the author profile first before you do the website. Now, some things will need modifying. For example, the review section for this template came with placeholder text and images. Simply click on the text, then replace it. Left click on the image, drop in the image you want, and hit update when you're done. For authors on a tight budget, paying for web hosting services can really burn a hole in your pocket. Most web hosting services cost anywhere from like $60 to $240 per year. The Elementor plugin costs about $59 per year. Just to have a website, you're looking at spending about anywhere from $109 to $289 per year for an author website. Well, you can forget all those extra expenses with StoryAd, but that's not even the best feature StoryAd offers. The next 2 features are what makes StoryAd the ideal tool for marketing and promotion. Marketing Wizard is a pretty nifty tool that asks you a series of questions based on the book you select to market and some additional details about your book. These questions include your target audience, the type of book, the genre of your book, how much time you have to promote every week, the length of the promotion, and your target market. Now, once you're done answering the questions, you'll have to select the topics that best suit your needs underneath the networking, research, and marketing and publicity tabs. StoryAd then gives you an action plan based on the next best steps for executing a sound book marketing plan according to your needs. Now, the cool part is you can set a unique marketing plan for each book in your account. And when you want to mix it up, you can reset the survey and start a new marketing plan. The outreach manager within the StoryAd dashboard plays a vital role in contacting relevant folks in and around the book publishing world. Now, StoryAd has a database of over 40,000 unique contacts. From bloggers to book reviewers to influencers, StoryAd has something for everyone. Need more reviews for your book? Dip into the contacts base. Want to get your books in front of your ideal readers? You've got the contacts database. Would you like to see your book featured in a YouTube video? Yep, you already guessed it, contacts database. Here's where the StoryAd team nailed it. Rather than having to leave the dashboard to contact these folks in the database, you can email in bulk from within your dashboard. Craft your own email queries or choose from a list of over 8 different email templates. But don't stop there. You can go into each individual email to customize your message so it's a lot more tailored to the recipient and you can come off as a bit more genuine. As a video creator, I get a ton of email queries for interviews and book reviews, and I always appreciate when the sender puts a little more thought into the emails than the copy-paste methodology. So slow down and take your time sending out those emails. The 5th feature you just won't see anywhere else, the calculator. Now, first, select the book in the drop-down menu. Then, with a little data entry, you can find out how much profits and losses you made or are going to make from that book. This feature is especially helpful for authors on a tight budget and need to squeeze as much as they can from every penny invested in the book. Under the Book Worth tab, you can enter more details to figure out what is the total worth of your book. Again, super helpful tool and could be encouraging for authors who would like to see how much money one book can predictably make. Speaking of money, I'm sure you're probably wondering, what's the cost? Normally, StoryAd has a 7-day free trial of their Pro plan that costs less than about $1 per day or $280 for lifetime access. I'm a huge proponent for lifetime subscriptions because that's one less recurring bill and one additional resource I can leverage without worrying of paying out the nose in the long run. For a limited time, my sponsor AppSumo is offering lifetime access to StoryAd for $59. Yep, that's the same cost as 2 months of StoryAd's monthly Pro plan and 79% less than StoryAd's normal lifetime deal. Get lifetime access to StoryAd for a limited time when you visit my affiliate link at dalelinks.com/StoryAd. Special thanks to my sponsors AppSumo for making this video possible and for this exclusive deal with StoryAd. While it's too early for me to bear any fruit from using StoryAd, I'm still rather hopeful considering all the resources included. To be clear, StoryAd is a marketing tool that you must actively use to get results. StoryAd doesn't bring the traffic or broker connections with their listed contacts. You have to do that. With the deep database of contacts for all walks, I have more opportunities to get my book into more readers' hands or in front of the right audience. And if I find someone off StoryAd, I can safely store their information and communicate with them directly through my dashboard. Not to mention, I can customize every email that goes out or use ready-made templates so I can get more done in less time. Oh, I did mention one simple tip to sell more books using StoryAd in conjunction with another incredible resource, the Universal Book Link. See why Universal Book Links help sell more books in this next video right over here, and get lifetime access to StoryAd today when you visit this link right here.